Hi there, this is Salman and you are watching Zettalysis. In this video I am going to show you how to remove the pattern of this phone. This phone is Infinix Smart HD 2021. Its modeler code name is x612 or x612b. So this phone is locked with pattern, so we'll remove this pattern. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, power off this phone. While it completely turns off, it vibrates. Now press and hold the power button with volume up button. Press and hold the power and volume up key. Now from here, the volume up to select, volume down is okay. So we will select first with volume up the recovery mode. Now this is recovery mode. Now volume down to OK. Now it's booting into the recovery menu. First it will show the no command. To pass this screen, just press and hold the power key for a few seconds, then just hit the volume up key. Now it is the recovery screen of the Infinix Smart HD21. It is on Android 10. Now volume down until you reach your wipe data factory reset. Now with the power key, hit OK. Now again, volume down and select this factory data reset. Click OK. Now it's resetting all the things by itself. Now just reboot the phone and all is done. Now the first option is reboot the system. To reboot into system now just hit OK with the power key. All things are OK. Now it's rebooting into the system. Now just wait for it to boot into system. It will take a few minutes for first time to load all the application from scratch. I am just fast forwarding this section to save your precious time. Now we have removed the screen lock. So this phone was bounded with a Gmail account too. I have forgotten that. So in order to remove this screen, we will bypass the FRP. So if you also encounter the FRP, so watch my next video. I am showing all this process on the next video. I hope that you enjoyed this video, and if you did, make sure to give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. And just not only subscribe, ring the bell so my friends you will never miss any upcoming tips, tricks and advanced tutorials. Thanks for watching and stay tuned. I will see you in my next one. Until then, keep smiling.